Lesson 1.5, Concept 3, Infinitely Many Solutions or No Solutions. So all the equations we've looked at so far are equations that will have just one solution. But there's other types of equations. An identity is a certain type of equation that doesn't just have one solution, it has an infinite number of solutions. Okay? And that looks like this top equation here. All right, I could put in any value for x, and it's going to be equal. Both sides are going to be equal. So if I put in 1 for x here, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 2 is 3. It's equal, 1 is a solution. I could put in 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 and 4 are equal, 2 is the solution. So any number I put in is going to be a solution in this case. All right, that's an identity or an equation that has infinitely many solutions. All right, the other type is one where you have the same number of variables on each side, just like an identity, okay, but then it has a different number of constants, or the constants are a different value. And no matter what I put in for this x, or for these x's, because whatever I put in for one x has to be the same for the other, the equation is not going to be true. So it has no solutions. All right. A lot of times these will look very complicated at first, but when you simplify them, they end up having all the variables eliminated, so all the variables can just disappear. And then whether it's a equation with infinitely many solutions or no solutions is going to be dependent on the constants that are left over. So if we simplify this, we have 2y, so I'm going to move my negative, 2y, I'm going to move my negative 3y over here, so they're next to each other. And then I'm going to take my negative y plus 10 minus 5. Now I will simplify 2y minus 3y is a negative 1y, or just negative y, plus 5 equals negative y plus 10 minus 5 is 5. And you can already see it. But sometimes you'll end up trying to move the variable from one side to the other. So I would add y to this side, and then add y to this side, and this cancels, and that's normal, but then when I come over here, oh, this also cancels. So all my variables just disappeared, and I'm just left with constants. So I know there's not going to be just one solution. I'm either going to have infinite solutions or no solution. And because 5 equals 5, and that is a solution, I know that there are going to be an infinite number of solutions.